Hi, I'm Singy. In this video, I'm going to show you two new cool features in Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, namely the photo and video editing capabilities. When you first launch PowerPoint 2010, you're presented with a new empty slide like this. If you click on the File tab, you'll realize that this is a whole new environment. We call this the Backstage view. In this view, nothing much has changed as what you commonly do with file management, such as file saving, permission, sharing, and version control. Something new and cool about the print page is that whatever changes you make to the print setting of the document is reflected on the print preview panel, such as changing to 2 slides per page, page orientation, color to grayscale, or black and white. Next, another one of the cool features is the creation of video in PowerPoint 2010. It transforms PowerPoint slides into video WMV format. This means that any PC without PowerPoint 2010 or PowerPoint Viewer could run the file. There are many more features in the Save and Send page panel. So without further ado, let us proceed to the creation of the PowerPoint slides. In this example, I'm going to create a presentation on the monthly movie trailer preview. So I'm going to type in the title on the first slide. Let me insert another content slide. Name it as latest blockbuster. The slide seems very plain. Let us apply some design template onto it. Alright, I like this design. Let me insert an image. Notice that I have a spelling mistake. All I need to do is to right click on the word and select the correct word from the suggested list. There, the changes has been made. Now, we have a problem here. There's a black background that we do not want. So, what do we do? In the past, we have to use any image editing software to remove the black background before we insert the new image. Now, we can save the trouble because there's this feature under the Format tab of the Picture tool called the Remove Background. Click on it. You can see part of the image are being darkened. Those are the areas that you do not want to be included in the image. But we do want the character head and his feet. So we could expand the selection to include his head as well as his feet. Now we can click on the Keep Changes to make changes. See, we have a beautiful set of image with the background being transparent. You can move it to anywhere of the slide and you see. Let's apply some special effect onto the image. We could maybe add a reflection to it. Let's add some shadow. Let's insert a new slide. Type in the title. Let me add in some contact details. Let's do some word formatting to bold it. Now I would like to insert another image. The size is too big, we could resize it. Let's place it at the right hand side of the slide. Look, the guy is pointing in the wrong direction. Maybe we could flip it horizontally. Under the rotate, click on flip horizontal. As you can see, we do not want the black background. We could apply the same method again by clicking on the remove background. You could see his hand is a bit cut off, the finger. You could expand the selection a little bit more. You can see there's this inverted tree here. We do not want it to appear. We could remove it as well. Look, only the outline is removed, but the yellow parts still remain. We can then use this tool called the mark areas to remove certain area of the image we do not want manually. Click on the yellow